Welcome to BulldogRealty.com. Check out all of our new home communities organized by the county. Each are located within Northeast Georgia. Many qualify for USDA 100% mortgage financing. Go Dogs! Craftsman style 3-sided brick 2-story on unfinished basement, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, solid surface granite countertops throughout, custom white cabinets, kitchen has walk-in pantry, island, backsplash, oven, microwave and dishwasher, open floor plan with custom trim package, hardwood floors on male level, tile accent wood burning fireplace in greatroom, separate dining room, master on main, master bath has tile flooring and tile separate shower, garden tub, bonus room, media room, warranty, Redbud Plan, features may vary.